Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we're gonna learn about the 7 types of deeds. Yes. So let's get started. Sayyidina Abdullah bin Umar radiallahu ta'ala has narrated that the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala wasallam said, there are 7 types of deeds in the court of Allah Almighty. Two are those that necessitate, while two are such that their reward is the same. One is such that its reward is 10 times, and one is such that its reward is 700 times. And the last is such that no one except Allah knows its exact reward. The two that necessitate two other things include: if anyone meets Allah Almighty having worshipped Him sincerely without associating a partner with Him, so heaven will become wajib for him. Subhanallah. But the next side is, if anyone meets Allah Almighty having associated a partner with Him, so hell will become wajib for him. If anyone commits a sin, he will suffer the consequences of only one sin. If anyone intends to perform a good deed, he will be given the reward of one deed. If anyone carries out a good deeds, he will be rewarded 10 times. If anyone is spent in the path of Allah Almighty, every dirham he spent will be equivalent to 700 dirhams, and every dinar will be equivalent to 700 dinars. Subhanallah. And the last is the fasting. Because the fasting is only for Allah Almighty. So that's why no one knows its exact reward but Allah Almighty. Subhanallah. So dear viewers, if you are not fasting yet, so make an intention and try to keep fast from today.